Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here from VSA. So today, this short video here, just want to cover this counter from NYSE. So this is Love's companies, okay, with the code LOW. Okay, so first of all, let's study the overall long-term trend, okay, which is we are referring to the weekly charts over here. So obviously, okay, this stocks after a shakeout. Okay, this is from uh, early last year. Okay, this is from March. Okay, so this time been in a very good trend. Okay, and overall, I think they are forming a very healthy type of pullback. Okay, so a few things that I want to look into, of course, during this pullback. Okay, of course, there's lots of sign of strength. Close to 2040 moving average. Okay, we got NS, Spring. Okay, so recent one we got a 5-day LC, we got LC with a test. Okay, so overall the trend line here is still pointing upwards. Okay, of course now it seems like testing at support. Okay, so again, this is looking into weekly chart over for long-term trend, and which means that potentially on daily chart they are doing a reaccumulation. Okay, so a few things that I want to look into. So against the green Pentagon just turned. Okay, recently, this is actually last week. Okay, volume is high. So usually when green Pentagon turns followed by a high volume, usually you have a pretty good momentum, okay, to break above certain resistance. Okay, so like previously example over here, this is green Pentagon, but volume is lower. But 2 or 3 weeks later on, it come with increasing volume. Okay, so usually, Pentagon is a sign that tells that okay, they are have an interest to challenge certain resistance. Okay, the volume actually helps to break above the resistance. Okay, so definitely this is coming together with the volume. So I think the quality definitely is much better than here. Okay, so hopefully they got a chance to break the current resistance over here. Okay, so this is purely based on weekly chart. Okay, now let's narrow down. We look into the daily chart. Okay, so daily chart actually also shows us kind of like the same information over here. So we got uptrust at the resistance. Okay, so again, uptrust at the top, representing there's a resistance, there's sellers. So the trend line here, okay, let me just draw this box. Okay, so this is a short-term trend line to tell us that okay, how the stock behave in a shorter time frame. So obviously this area seems like a little bit of weakness coming in. Okay, which means the trend is a bit weak at the moment. But okay, the price over here, okay, all the candles, okay, on 18 April, which is come together with the green pentagons, high volume, cross, okay, the downtrend line. Okay, so this is again representing that potentially they might have a change of trend is coming soon. Okay, for these counters. Okay, so of course, at the moment they are heading to the resistance over this area. So potentially we might see a minor pullback. Okay, coming in. So, but overall, if I look into purely based on the daily, or maybe just now, if in a bigger picture we look into weekly, so definitely the stock is still moving in a very healthy uptrend. Okay, so hopefully, for those that who are looking for pullback trades, okay, if let's say it makes some a good pullback, slow volume, probably is this is some of the areas that you want to monitor because this is like a previous resistance area. Okay, hopefully you make a retest and change the resistance again and follow through. Okay, so how are you going to look for this kind of counters? Of course, for our members, okay, make sure you go to the screener. Okay, you can go to Pentagon screener, you can go to NS screener. Up to you which signals that you want to look for. So click on exchange. Okay, so this is the exchange that's available. Okay, in the screener here. So we click on NYSE. So this is the one that appeared actually on 18 August. Okay, so you can see this counters over here. Okay, so actually there's a lot of counters also. Okay, under this Pentagon guidance. Okay, for NYSE and Nasdaq too. So just pair up with the screener. Okay, probably you will find another stocks like this, okay, which is giving you a very good style of setup. Okay, the other stocks that I'm looking into is Macy. Okay, I think Macy also they got a very good green paragons in the daily chart. Okay, so take a look into that.